Hello YouTube family, welcome back to my kitchen meals with Mills. In this video I will be showing you a super quick way of making Afghan biscuits. All you need is a box of chocolate cake mix, any chocolate cake mix that you can come up with, 2 eggs, 2 cups of cornflakes crushed a little, 3 tablespoons of milk, 60 grams of butter, and a bowl to mix your ingredients. Let's start baking. Okay, so first of all, empty everything in the bowl. Add your cornflakes, add your milk, add butter, and you're going to cut your eggs, and then you're going to beat it for a little bit. Let's give it a mix. And then you add this to your bowl. Okay, so you mix this through. Just scoop them onto our tray. Okay. Okay, I'm going to bake them now for 15 minutes in an oven of 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I'm going to prepare our icing for topping while we're waiting for our biscuits to cook in the oven. So this is the icing that came with the chocolate cake mix. 50 grams of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. Give that a good mix. Move our biscuits onto a rack. Okay, so I'm just going to cool that down. So our cookies are now ready. It's been cooled down for a few minutes and we're ready to put our icing and topping. I'm going to quickly ice it and then I'll do my 3 different kinds of topping for the cookies. Then in the middle. I'm gonna do peanuts for this one. That's topping. So this is our baking, making Afghan biscuits. A very quick and easy recipe from a box of chocolate cake mix. I've made some earlier on, and this chocolate box only cost me just under $2. So this is our final baking. I've just put crushed peanuts on one topping, just normal icing sugar on the other, dusted with icing sugar, and then of course a popular topping, which is walnuts. I'm going to taste our cookies and I'll show you what it looks like inside. These, I'll have a look at these that I made earlier on. I'm just leaving this plain, but see what it looks like inside. It looks amazing to me, just like when you make it from scratch with plain flour, everything from scratch. But this is from the chocolate box mix, chocolate cake mix I should say. It's great. Thank you, families and friends, for watching. I hope you give this recipe a go. For those who are new to my channel, thank you for visiting, and please don't forget to subscribe. And for those who have subscribed already, thank you for the love and support. Stay tuned for more videos coming, and I will catch up with you in the next video. Thanks for watching. So I've just boxed our cookies. Now I am going to visit someone who I haven't seen, one of the family members who I haven't seen in a while due to lockdown. So I am going to give this box of cookies for her. I've got my lid that I will cover my box with and put a ribbon on top, and off I go. I hope you enjoy that video, everyone. Thank you for watching.